Hey everyone, one beautiful day I was sipping coffee at office. Coffee was so refreshing. Just opened my email and heaps of email fall on me. But one email grabbed my attention. Subject line was saying, "Please help." It is an email from my colleague Kuttush. I clicked and opened the message. She was saying, "I forgot my password. I can't open my worksheet. Please blow up worksheet's password for me," with a sad emoji. So I opened the file and blow up the password protection and become Kuttush's hero. Check this out, how I did it. This will help you to be a hero sometimes. First, download the file to your PC. Then open the workbook. Just to check, click the worksheet. Yeah, it's protected. Then try common password like 123. No, it's not working also, right? Then check the file type. To check the file type, click View, then Option, and then click Change Folder and Search Options. Keyboard shortcut Alt+F, then press O. Folder options will appear. Click View from Folder Options. You see an option called Hide Extension from Known File Types. Just uncheck it. Then just click Apply and OK. You see file type is .xlsx. That email was from my colleague Kuttush. She's so pretty. I like her. So the little me turned into a superhero to rescue. I felt like Shazam. Time for you to be a superhero. Next step is to convert the .xlsx to .zip file. Just rename the .xlsx to .zip. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Then click the .zip file, then click the XL folder, then click Worksheets folder. All sheets of this workbook are here in .xml format. In this example, this workbook has one worksheet. So you can see just sheets.xml. Copy this sheets.xml file and paste it out of this. Now open this file with Note. Press Ctrl+F and find word protect. Here just select from sheets protection to scenarios equal to 1. And remove it by pressing backspace or delete. Then just save and close the file. Now copy this .xml file and paste it to the same worksheets folder. A dialog box pops up. Just click Copy and Replace. A Windows arrow pop up. Here also just click OK. Now click back from your .zip file. Then step is easy. Just again convert the .zip file to .xlsx file. A confirmation box will pop up. Just click Yes. File converted to .xlsx again. Now click the file and go to your worksheet. Check this out. You blow up the password protection of this worksheet. When I emailed Kuttush back, she was so happy. Later that afternoon, she gave me a treat of latte from Foodpanda. Now it is time for you to be a superhero.
The power is yours.
So this is it for today. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you soon.